दोस्तों दार्जिलिंग में हमारे साथ टेक्नो इंडिया समूह के चेयरमैन सत्यम राय चौधरी साहब हैं। उनसे हम लोग बात करेंगे फैशन यूनिवर्सिटी जो सिलीगुड़ी में बनने चला है, बस मुहूर्त का केवल देरी है और उसके बारे में पूरा डिटेल ये बताएंगे। और ये जो यूनिवर्सिटी है ये पूरे भारतवर्ष में इकलौता ऐसा यूनिवर्सिटी है जो बच्चों को फैशन की तरफ जो पढ़ाई है उसको उसका जो एजुकेशन कैसे होगा उसकी कहीं ना कहीं तालीम देगा। सर थोड़ा इसके बारे में डिटेल बताइए।
Actually, this is a knowledge, skill and fashion university. Actually, university bill already passed in on 5th of August, 3 months back, and actually our Honorable Chief Minister, actually she announced this university, and she was very eager for this university to come up in North Bengal. Actually, it is not only for Siliguri, it is for the entire North Bengal zone. And actually, this would be the first private university in North Bengal. In North Bengal, there is not a single private university here. And earlier, it named was Skill and Knowledge University. And Madam just add this fashion name with it, and now it is Skill, Knowledge and Fashion University. And it will come up from next academic session, and everything is ready, setup is ready, and students, they are just roaming around when they can just take the admission. And we will invite CA Madam to inaugurate this, and I think she will inaugurate very soon. After that, the university curriculum.
सर मैं आपको रोकूंगा। सर ये जो फैशन यूनिवर्सिटी है ये एक क्रांति ला देगा पूरे देश में, क्योंकि और ये आप जब शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, टेक्नो इंडिया जब इसको शुरू कर रही है, उसके बाद बहुत सारे ऐसे यूनिवर्सिटी हैं जो इसको देखकर प्रेरणा स्रोत ले सकते हैं। और खुद मुख्यमंत्री ने जब इसे कहा है कि आप उसमें फैशन ऐड कीजिए, ऐसे में आप कैसे देखते हैं इसको पूरा?
No, it would be not be a university only. Actually, it would be connected with all the artisans of our country, okay, and actually it will be connected with them, and it will be the production unit in back end, and many entrepreneurs, big and small, and all the fashion related person, they will be associated with this university, and the product will be developed in back end, and that would be added advantage of the employment generation. And this would be just meet up the demand of our state. This will demand of our meet up with demand of our country, and it will be export oriented product. Okay, and we will add it.
दोस्तों आपको पता है कि जब सर जो है वो जब इसकी पूरी रूपरेखा तैयार कर रहे थे, उस वक्त मुख्यमंत्री ने इन्हें कहा कि एक तो आप इसमें फैशन यूनिवर्सिटी आप स्टार्ट कीजिए, उसमें फैशन कोर्स दीजिए। दूसरा कि जो प्रतिभावान बच्चे हैं, जो गरीब हैं लेकिन प्रतिभावान हैं, उनके लिए भी कुछ आप मार्जिन रखिए। सर उसके बारे में थोड़ा दर्शकों को बताइए।
Sure. It would be definitely. It will be for the. Actually, in our Techno India group, every campus, 10% student, full free studentship, 10% half free students already there. And this university, especially in North Bengal and in Northeast, students will get the additional benefit. And students here will admit, and actually we will announce many scholarship here. And actually those who are interested to just get the new fashions, new designs for their new setups, we will provide the design and new fashions to them actually, and I think entire North Bengal will be benefited for this.
सर एक सवाल है मेरा सर, कोलकाता में जो सिस्टर निवेदिता यूनिवर्सिटी है वो सर बहुत ऐसा काम कर रहा है कि ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा है जैसे एजुकेशनल का एक हब बन गया है, और हर तीसरा बच्चा जो है, हम लोग जब भी उनसे पूछते हैं तो वो कह रहे हैं कि मैं SNU में मैं पढ़ाई करता हूँ। तो ऐसे में आपको लगता है कि एजुकेशन सेक्टर में टेक्नो इंडिया जो है वो इतना बैठ गया है कि अब दूसरे राज्यों में भी जो दूसरे प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी हैं वो आप लोगों से बहुत सारे टिप्स ले रहे हैं?
Yes, actually Techno India now it is a journey of 40 years. Okay, and actually we have more than 100 campuses all over the country. And we have our new university already. Tripura got one university from Techno India, and that has already operated. And every year new campuses are coming. In Siliguri also one new school is coming. That is a very unique kind of schools with India, our CBSE board and Australian board, and that is ready. And it is for the girls' child. And students from Northeast and all over India, they are coming to join here. They are staying in hostel, here. And actually, Techno India means education and quality education. We are providing quality education. We are providing job-oriented education. And students, after completion of this program, they must get good job from all over. And you will find our students all over the India, in each and every corner of world, you will get Techno India students. Actually, this is a journey of 40 years, and millions of students from passing out from the university, they are doing job all over the world. And this is just actually increasing the socio-economic condition of our state, of our country. And actually, I think this is Techno India Group, and we are trying more and more to just take new courses, new programs, new initiatives, artificial intelligence-based programs, computer IT-based programs. Actually, it is we are in already in research mode. What kind of program we can add with the university, with the colleges, that students get good job or they can be a good entrepreneur.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर हमसे बात करने के लिए। और दोस्तों, हम लोग को भी बेचैनी है, इस इंतजार है, बेसब्री से हम लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि कब जो फैशन यूनिवर्सिटी जो है वो शुरू होगी और मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी जो है उसका शुभ उद्घाटन अपने हाथों से करेंगी। और सत्यम राय चौधरी सर ने जैसा बताया कि ये जो यूनिवर्सिटी है ये कहीं न कहीं फैशन को लेकर पूरे देश भर में एक क्रांति पैदा कर सकती है। कैमरा पर्सन राजीव पासवान के साथ प्रकाश चंद्रा, दार्जिलिंग से ताजा टीवी के लिए।